You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the doTERRA pedal diffuser, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Slim and Sassy Essential Oil Blend. The Slim and Sassy is a proprietary metabolic blend and combines powerful essential oils known to promote a healthy metabolism when ingested. The flavorful blend of Slim and Sassy helps manage hunger throughout the day while supporting healthy metabolism and promoting a positive mood. Slim and Sassy contains grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon essential oils. When taken with a healthy eating and exercise plan, Slim and Sassy Metabolic Blend can help you reach your weight management goals. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA Slim and Sassy Oil Blend are aromatic, so that's breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of Slim and Sassy are that it promotes healthy metabolism, manages your hunger cravings for processed foods, and supports blood sugar levels already in normal range. The directions for use are placing 2 drops in an 8-ounce glass or stainless steel water bottle and drinking at least half your body weight in ounces each day. So for example, if I weigh 160 pounds, that would be 80 ounces, and I like to split that up in different glass containers, typically old kombucha bottles. You can also diffuse 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the doTERRA pedal diffuser, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops to your reflex points on the palms of your hands or the bottoms of your feet. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.